Spotify is one of the best places to head to in order to discover new music, all with just a free ad-supported account. Of course, nothing beats being able to listen to your favorites on demand, and that means turning off Shuffle Play. Though free users are limited to Shuffle Play on mobile, if you're wondering what your options are for disabling Shuffle on Spotify, here's what you need to do. To disable Shuffle Play on Spotify's desktop app, just click on the shuffle icon near your play controls at the bottom of the screen while a track is playing. You'll know Shuffle has been turned off when the icon is grayed out. You can also check this option by clicking on the triple dotted icon in the top left corner and mousing over playback. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, tapping Ctrl-S on Windows or Command-S on Mac toggles Shuffle on and off. If you're using the app, either on its own or as a remote via Spotify Connect, you can toggle Shuffle Play on and off while a song is playing by tapping on the shuffle icon on the playback screen. Once it's gray, Shuffle has been turned off. If you're using the Spotify app on the go, turning off Shuffle Play is a feature limited to premium users. New accounts can get a free trial of Spotify Premium, but if you're unwilling to pay for your account, you'll be locked into Shuffle mode on mobile. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Spotify and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.